Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you get back latest iOS 18 version if you have updated latest iOS 26 version. So simply guys, if you want to downgrade your iPhone or iPad to the older version without losing your data, you can do it very easily. So simply, first of all guys, you may just open your laptop or your computer, and guys, here in Google Chrome you may download 3U tool from your Google Chrome. So you may simply write 3u.com in your browser and download that one. After that, you may connect your iPhone through your laptop or your PC or your MacBook with your wire. So you may check. This will be show. Here you may select your iPhone as a trusted device. Then you may click here, and after that, here you may see that here is the option of smart flash. So you may click here, and this will be show iOS 18.5 version. So you may simply download this one from here, and after that, here you may see that here is the option of retain user data. So when you click here, you will not delete your current data, your videos, pictures, or other data or apps from your iPhone. When you click here, then guys you may click here on flash, and now can you can easily get your older version without losing your data. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.